last video I showed you how to move the robot in beginner mode. In this video I will show you how to move the robot in advanced mode, starting by moving the robot around based on joint movements. If you click on advanced mode and start a new program, you will be seeing the menu of the advanced program. Here you can see the program structure, the program commands, some command editing tools and the play, pause and start button. It's possible to make either absolute or relative movements. Absolute movements are movements to a certain point in space, for example to the home position. Relative motions can also be made, which would be, for example, 10 centimeters to the left or 10 centimeters to the right. Let's start with an absolute joint movement. Click on the command and it will be shown in the program tree. We can now click to edit it. There will be two options, either base the movement on time or base the movement on speed. This means you can either give it a certain time to do the movement or do it with a certain speed. For now, we will choose speed. With joint move, it's possible to make a movement through different waypoints. We can add and delete waypoints in the middle menu. Just like in the beginner mode, it's possible to make a movement in two different ways. We can either do this by direct teaching ourselves, or we can jog the robot like we did the last time. Let's add the current waypoint as the starting point. Then, after some jogging, I will add the second waypoint. Then, with direct teaching, I will add another two waypoints. Now, we can save the program and give it a name. By pressing first waypoint and hold to move, we can move to the starting position. Now, by pressing play, it will follow the points we gave it before. We can make the movement smoother by adding some blending. Blending means that the robot will not actually reach the point, but kind of skim it. We can do this by editing the command again, pressing the point we want to edit and turn on blending. We'll do this for the middle points. Now if we save this, move to the first waypoint again and press play, you'll see that it makes for a smoother motion. Next to an absolute movement, it's also possible to make a relative motion, like I said before. Let's first move it home again and the delete or alt command. We now add a relative joint move and edit this one. We'll register the current position as the from position. Then, let's move around the robot a little and register it as 2. Now we save the program and give it a name. Now we can make a relative motion by pressing play. We can do this all over and over again until the robot reaches one of its boundaries. In this video, I showed you how to use the joint move command. In the next video, I will show you how to use the task move command.